So today we are going to learn that how we can add ourselves as participants into Qiskit translations project. Okay, so in order to add yourself, you first have to go to github.com, okay, and create a website, create your profile on GitHub. So your GitHub profile is necessary in order to participate and add yourself into the Qiskit Translations project. If you don't know about github.com, you have to simply type github.com. I'll add the link in the description of this video. So here you have to sign up for an account on GitHub. Okay, since I have an account on GitHub, so that's why I'm moving on to sign in. So here, demo profile 1. I have made this demo profile just for your sake. Okay, so it's a fresh new profile and there is no repository yet. Okay, so now the next step is, if you have a repository, it's good. If you don't, so no worries, you can create it easily. Okay, so the next step is that we are going to open up google.com, and on Google we are going to search Qiskit Qiskit translation. Okay, when you will search Qiskit translation and press enter, okay, when you will press this Qiskit translation and press enter, it will take you to this page where you will see some recommendations. I'm really sorry about my PC, it's causing some issues. So you just have to click on this first suggestion and it will take you to the official repository of Qiskit translation project. Okay, scroll up, and here you can see it is written Qiskit translations. So this is showing that it is a repository of Qiskit translations, and here we can see that here it is written Qiskit community. So it means that it is a part, this Qiskit translations project is an official part of Qiskit community. Okay, now what we have to do, we simply have to follow these guidelines. These are the steps. By following these steps, we can add ourselves. In this tutorial, I'll follow along with each step so that you can also follow each step and can add yourself easily into this awesome project. Okay, so what first we have to do, we just don't have to get scared out for these all files. Don't worry, very soon you will find out that it is really simple to add yourselves and start working on. So first we have to go up, and we can see on the very right side there is a button. On the upper right side there is a button called fork. Okay, you have to click on this fork button. When you will click here, it will fork it, like it is forking, so it will take 1 to 2 seconds, and then here we are. So now it is written Qiskit translations. It means that this repository, this folder is of Qiskit translation, but here it is my profile name. Instead of official Qiskit community, it is written here demo profile 101, which is my username, and when you will fork it, so your username will appear here. Okay, so we are done with the first step. Now what we have to do, we simply have to click on this file, localization underscore contributors file. Okay, it is all in capital case for the easy identification. Okay, when we will click here, we can easily find out the names of all the contributors for a given language. Okay, so the format is very simple. On above you will see language, okay, and its code, and down just below the language you will see all the contributors name for that particular language. For example, here the case is German and the code is DE, which is Deutsche. So and these are all the collaborators for German language. Same is the case for Italian, same is the case for Japanese, and so on. So in order to add your name into this file, what we have to do, we have to click here on the right side. You will see a pencil icon. Okay, this pencil icon says edit this file. Yes, we want to change this file, so we will click on this pencil icon, and when we will click on this pencil icon, it will take you to the editor where we can edit this file. So since this is a tutorial, a demo for the demo purpose, so that's why I am adding a name here in Urdu, so just to make things clear to see. Okay, so there is a name. Let's say we can select any random name. So I am, just for the purpose of this demo, I am adding demo profile 101, which is my username. But adding your username is not necessary, and I don't recommend this. Please add your original name, like don't add this demo profile 101. Instead, like you can see, my name is written Muhammad Ali, my profile name is Ali Hussainiya, but my original name is Muhammad Ali. So please use your original name which is on your ID card. So for example, you can type a name Khalid Wali. Okay, it is I am using this name just for the demo purpose. So I have added the file and added a name. Okay, here I'm just telling you add your name like this. Okay, I'm removing this. So just I wanted to make sure that you know that you have to add your name like this. And you can add your name in any language which you speak, of course, so that, or which you have knowledge about, so that you can easily translate into the Qiskit documentation into that particular language. Okay, then now in order to save this file with our changes, what we have to do, we have to write down our commit message, and the commit message should be very clear and understandable and concise. Okay, so I will type edit Khalid Wali into Urdu language. ठीक है, okay, so edit Khalid Wali into Urdu language. Now finally we have to click on this commit changes button, and when we will click here, we will see, just a second. So the file is now saved, and we can confirm it by scrolling down, and when you will reach to Urdu, yes, you can see that this file is now saved and Khalid Wali has been inserted into this file. Okay, now what we have to do, now we have to simply create a pull request, and in order to create a pull request, we have to click on this button. I hope you can see on the left side it says pull request, so click on it. When you will click on pull request button, it will take you to this page, welcome to pull request. Awesome. Now we have to create a new pull request. We will click here on this green button which says new pull request. it's loading. Okay, so now it says able to merge, means that yes, we can merge it. So what we have to do, we simply have, and it says that the file has been changed, like plus means green, means something is inserted, algorithm is inserted. So since we have to create a pull request, we will create here, create a pull request. Now it says that we have to be aware of these steps if we want our name to be added into a particular language, okay, in the project. So the first warning sign is, if you do not respect this template, your pull request will be closed. So what this template, which I'm also going to walk you through, we have to respect it, like we have to follow all of the suggestions and terms and conditions. Okay, second thing is, your pull request title should be short, detailed and understandable for all. Now what this simply means, that your pull request should convey the message in a short, easy way which is understandable for all. Like it should not contain anything like a very long message or very like full of jargons, which will make understanding your pull request harder for others, especially for officials. Okay, third thing is, please make sure to do the following before creating a pull request. Okay, so now we have to do these following steps in order to create our pull request. Okay, so first of all, I have added a related issue number. What this simply means, this means that we have to find out what is the issue number of our language which we are interested in joining. Okay, and how you can find out the issue number? Simply visit like google.com, and then here type Qiskit translation, the same thing which we did earlier, enter, and on the official Qiskit translation repository. This was quick. So it is like simply going again to the Qiskit translation repository, okay, which we did earlier. So now what it says, that we have to identify the issue number. So here you can see that there is a button called issues, okay, on the upper left side. So click on the issues button, and then it will take you to all the languages available, and every language has a particular issue. Like issue means in this regard a request for that particular language. So since we have added our name in Urdu, so here is an issue, request for Urdu, okay. And if you like read the heading, it says request for Urdu and then hashtag 286, okay. So here we are, yes, request for Urdu hashtag 286. I hope you can read it clearly, or else you can click on it, and now you can easily see request for Urdu and slash and hashtag 286, okay. So this 286 is our issue number, and simply you can follow this like for any language you want, you are interested in joining and you want to participate in. So since we have found out our issue number, then we can go back here to this tab where we are trying to create a pull request. And yes, I have added a related issue number, and what this addition means, like adding a related issue number, we will see later. Simply you have to go down, okay, and here it says, this template says related hashtag and then replace _ me with related issue number. So sorry. So what we have to do, we have to remove this, like please let this hashtag remain here and type 286. When you will type 286, it will give you a suggestion 286 request for Urdu. Yes, we want that. So click here and it says okay. Nothing to be done, nothing to change right now. Okay, so yes, I have added my issue number. You can see here related hashtag 286. So simply go here and type X. So this is a markdown language, and in markdown language, in order to say a check, like I have made a check for that, you simply have to enter X within the bracket, the square bracket. Okay, so the next step is I have read the contributing document on the Qiskit website. Link is given here. This is the link. Okay, so what you can do, you can simply copy this link and paste it in a new tab and press enter. When you will press enter, it will take you to the contributing to Qiskit documentation page, where you will find, I'm sorry for that. Okay, so where you will find the documentation and policies stuff. So since I have already read it and I'm a part of like Qiskit communities, Qiskit translation project, so yeah, so I'll skip that, but I'll highly recommend you to read this documentation. And coming back to this pull request tab, I'll simply add X. Okay, remove this space. Okay, so simply add X and remove any space within the bracket. Okay, then now coming to the third part, I have added my name to the localization contributors file under the language that I would like to contribute. Yes, yes, I have added my name. Like for the demo purposes, I've added the name of Khalid Walid and in the localization contributors file. Okay, so I'll remove all the spaces and just add X within the bracket. So these were the 3 terms which we had to follow. Now it's part of summary. Okay, so summary says please add the related GitHub issue language request of the format related number. Okay, so add 286 here too, request for Urdu. Okay, so we also have to add this here related issue number here. Find the issue number. Okay, yes, we have found the issue number. You can also use this link in order to find the issue number instead of like going again. So this is the link. Just copy it and open a new tab, paste it and press enter. When you will press enter, it will take you to the issues tab. Like all the issues are mentioned here, so you can also find out your language. I am also a student, so I am also learning. Okay, so you can do whatever you find it easier to understand. Now okay, now what we simply have to do, we have to click here, create pull request. Okay, just a little hint for those who don't find their language added into the like official localization contributors file. Like for example, you can say like example is like say Punjabi is not added in the localization contributors file. So those people have to go to this link. Okay, to add a to create a new issue and request for that language which they want and which they want to add into the localization contributors project and want to work on. but since Urdu is already added, so we are good to go. Now we will click here and we will create a pull request. So we will click here, click on it, and then it will say okay, some checks haven't completed yet. So what we are missing this license underscore CLA part, which is a required thing. Okay, and how we are going to agree on this? Simply we have to click on this contributor license agreement link. Okay, click here, it will take you to this link and this CLA assistant page. Okay, this is a contribution license agreement in which we all have to agree if we want to participate in any language. So click on it, sign in with GitHub to agree. Okay, it will ask for permission, so I'm authorizing it. You also have to do it. Now okay, so thank you Demo Profile 101 for signing the CLA. We are now taking you back to GitHub. Awesome. So now we are good to go. And we have successfully created our pull request for being added into a particular language. Like in our case, we have added our name Khalid Walid to become a part of Urdu language. Okay, our pull request is open, our status is open, which says that we have successfully requested, and now only the review is required, which will be done by officials, and hopefully very soon they will accept your pull request and make you a part of Qiskit Translations project. Okay, but still we have to do something else too. So our part of opening pull request is now complete, but what we have to do, okay, open with awesome. So we have to click on this pull request, and we can see here our added Khalid Walid into Urdu language request is open. We have to click here. Okay, when you will click here, you will see that this link, okay, showing in the address bar of your browser. Click on it and copy it. Simple Control C. Okay, copy it. Now what we have to do, we have to come here, like here Qiskit Translation. We have to click on this, and it will take you to the official page of Qiskit Translations repository, and we have to go down a little bit, and here you can see Qiskit Docs Crowdin projects link, the fourth one. Okay, now you simply have to open it in a new tab. Okay, how you can do this? Right click and open link in new tab. Okay, now the link is opening. So this is Crowdin page. This is Crowdin page. Now what you have to do, you have to sign up for first of all, and then you have to add yourself to that particular language. Okay, like signing up is very simple. You just simply have to add your email ID. Like for example, in my case, I will add mohammad.ali.udacity1@gmail.com. Okay, so you have to type the email that you use, or there is a simple there is further a simple act, which is sign in with an option here. So I'll use GitHub option, like it will really create an ease for us. So click here GitHub, okay, on the GitHub, and it will ask for permission. So authorize crowding, we'll click on the green button, and then yeah, we are good to go. Okay, so it says that since I don't have the email already present here, so that's why I have to add it. Muhammad.ali.udacity1@gmail.com. You have to add your email ID. I agree with the terms and conditions. Create account. This will be my username. Okay, so this username is fetched from GitHub. Now we are good to go. Like we have signed up, we have to verify our email. So yep, please go to your email and verify by clicking on the verifying link. So here what is our purpose? We have to select the language we want to add ourselves in. So we will click on Urdu, and now what we have to do, we have to click on this join button, like the green button on the right side. Click here, and here we have to paste the link of our pull request. Okay, how I got this link? As I mentioned, okay, you simply have to you simply go like on the official Qiskit translations page, go to pull request, and here you will find out your pull request, okay, with your name and the language which you are interested in joining. Click on this pull request, and here you will find out the link of your pull request. Okay, simply select it all and copy it by Ctrl C. When you will press Ctrl plus C, it will copy it. Now come back to this crowding page, and simply paste it by Ctrl V. Okay, and click on the join button. When you will click on the join button, it will add you to Urdu translation like team, but still you will be added as an interested candidate for a particular language, and then hopefully your team lead will add you into the language as a translator. Okay, so right now what your task is just to click here on the join button, and you will be done. Like with all the tasks, you are required to add yourself as a participant. Okay, I'm not clicking on the join button because you can understand like demo profile, so that's why. But whether you click here or not, it's in your case it is necessary to join. Okay, let's say we click here on join. Okay, your request has been submitted for approval, and the project manager will likely approve it very soon. Okay, so close, and now your work is done. Let's cross verify whether we are done with everything or not. Okay, so I'll come back to here, like this official repository, and I'll click on the Qiskit translations to get into the repo of Qiskit translations. Okay, now we are here, and let's scroll down a little bit. So yes, we have added ourselves into localization contributors under the language header which we were interested in joining. We have created a pull request to add our name to the list. We have also added the issue, as well as we have signed the CLA agreement, the contract. And okay, yes, we haven't contributed to Qiskit before, likely, so we have already signed up contributors license agreement. Okay, in our PR we have also mentioned it, and then we have also went to Crowdin project and chose our language that we were interested in contributing to, and then we have joined ourselves and also pasted the URL of our PR like pull request in the dialog box. Okay, so yeah, we are now done, and yeah, we have followed everything, and here it says that this is a Qiskit workspace on Slack. You can join it, and you can post any issue regarding anything here, so that officials can also like find out on Slack Medium tool about your issue or your related question and answer your queries. Okay, so that was the tutorial of how you can add yourself into Qiskit translations project, officially organized and managed by Qiskit community. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you think that this tutorial can be made better, so please do share your insights. I'll try my best to make it as better as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I would highly request you to join this Qiskit translations project and work towards translating Qiskit documentation into your language, so that the upcoming generation of quantum computing learners can have a great help in finding out the Qiskit documentation in their language, and can easily understand how Qiskit works, what Qiskit is about, and how they can benefit from Qiskit by reading the documentation into their particular language. Okay, then have a great day, great night. We'll see you with another tutorial. Goodbye.